The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is already creating serious excitement in the smartphone world. According to the latest leaks and rumors, Google is preparing a major shift in strategy with this device. Instead of focusing only on raw performance numbers, the company appears to be putting efficiency and AI-powered features at the center of the experience. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could change how flagship phones are judged in 2026. At the heart of the device is the rumored Tensor G6 processor. This new chip is expected to be built using an advanced 2-nanometer process from TSMC, which should improve both power efficiency and performance. However, what really makes the Tensor G6 stand out is its unusual 7-core CPU design. Most flagship processors today use 8 cores, but Google is reportedly taking a different path. The Tensor G6 is said to feature 1 ultra-core designed for heavy tasks and 6 Pro cores focused on efficiency and sustained workloads. This unique setup suggests that Google is more interested in delivering smooth, consistent performance rather than chasing the highest benchmark scores. Interestingly, despite having fewer cores, the Tensor G6 is rumored to run at higher clock speeds compared to the previous Tensor G5. This indicates that Google is trying to balance efficiency with competitive performance. The goal appears to be simple: make the phone feel fast in real-life usage, not just in synthetic tests. Graphics performance is also getting a notable change. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to switch to the new PowerVR C-Series GPU, replacing the graphics solution used in the previous generation. This move signals Google's renewed focus on improving gaming, video rendering, and augmented reality performance. The PowerVR C-Series is known for delivering strong graphical output while maintaining lower power consumption. If implemented well, this could mean better gaming sessions with less heat buildup and improved battery life. However, the real-world performance of this GPU will only become clear after the phone officially launches. Artificial intelligence continues to be the centerpiece of Google's smartphone vision, and the Tensor G6 is reportedly heavily optimized for AI workloads. This includes features like real-time language translation, smarter voice recognition, and advanced computational photography. Google has been leading in AI photography for years, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL seems ready to push that advantage further. The chip's design suggests it is built to handle long AI tasks efficiently without overheating. This is important because modern smartphone experiences increasingly rely on background AI processing. Thermal management is another area where Google appears to be focusing heavily. One of the biggest problems with powerful smartphones is heat buildup, which can lead to performance throttling. The 7-core design and efficiency-focused approach suggests that the Pixel 11 Pro XL may deliver more stable performance during heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. Instead of short bursts of extreme speed followed by slowdowns, Google seems to be aiming for consistent, reliable performance. For many everyday users, this could actually feel faster and smoother over time. Early Geekbench results for the Tensor G6 have already surfaced, and they show lower scores compared to the Tensor G5. Naturally, this has raised some concerns in the tech community. However, these scores are believed to come from prototype hardware running unoptimized software. Historically, early benchmarks often improve significantly before final release, so these numbers may not reflect the true performance of the finished device. If Google's efficiency-first strategy works as intended, real-world usage could still feel premium despite lower synthetic scores. Now, looking at the rumored specifications, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to launch around August 20th, 2026. The phone may feature a large 6.82-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED display with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 144 Hz. Peak brightness could reach an impressive 4,000 nits, which would make outdoor visibility excellent. Memory and storage options also look flagship level. The device is rumored to come with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and storage choices of 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and even 1 terabyte using fast UFS 4.0 technology. On the camera side, Google is reportedly sticking with its triple 50-megapixel setup. The main wide camera is expected to feature optical image stabilization, while the ultra-wide camera is said to get an upgraded sensor. The telephoto lens may offer 5x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. For selfies, leaks suggest a 48-megapixel front camera with under-display infrared support for secure face unlock. If true, this could deliver both a clean display look and improved biometric security. Battery life also looks promising. The The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to pack a large 5,500 mAh high-density stacked battery. Charging speeds may reach 45-watt wired and 25-watt wireless, with full Qi 2 Pixel Snap support. Durability could be another strong point. The phone is expected to carry IP69 dust and water resistance, which would place it among the most rugged premium smartphones available. On the software side, the device will likely ship with Android 17 and could receive an impressive 7 to 8 years of guaranteed updates, continuing Google's strong long-term support strategy. Overall, the Pixel 11 Pro XL appears to represent a shift in philosophy. Instead of competing purely on raw numbers, Google seems focused on building a smarter, more efficient flagship that performs well in everyday situations. Of course, everything depends on real-world testing after launch. If the Tensor G6 delivers strong AI performance, stable thermals, and smooth daily usage, the Pixel 11 Pro XL could become one of the most interesting smartphones of 2026. More leaks and official details are expected in the coming months. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so no future tech news is missed.